been under so much pressure to get this workload done because there's so many entries, and that's fantastic. And I just really would like to take this opportunity to thank Terry. He's been such a good team worker.
That's a funny guy behind him.
Yeah, no, he's a team worker, and we get things done, and thanks to him for a lot of this, and that the Fine Art Society is doing so well is really doing. So I won't carry on. I also just want to mention Barry Gibb, who's been in the Fine Art Society and the art community in East London for many years, and it's just amazing to have him on board at the Ann Bryant. And also the committee, the East London Fine Art Society committee, who come to every meeting and just make this thing happen. Anyway, I'll hand it over to Terry, and thank you.
It's not often I get to you, because he's such a homophobe. I mean, I'm trying to grab him in the kitchen. But anyway, shot Leon, and I didn't even have to pay him to say that. But, yeah, no, look here, I've regained my cool. In fact, I've got another bottle of beer in the fridge inside, so I'll be even more cool just now. But this is just a little bit of welcoming comments to this Peep Show exhibition. And Leon du Preez, the curator of the Ann Bryant Art Gallery, thank you to you. And you know, the Art Society and the art community of East London are very lucky to have such a great relationship with a major gallery. As we have, it's an ongoing relationship that's very beneficial to all of us artists and art lovers. And then she who cannot be named, thank you for your help, your staff.
Sorry, I'm
and there are others who work, and we are grateful to them. I want to thank all of the artists who exhibited. Thank you for your understanding here with some of your pictures and things were hung incorrectly. Do apologize. I'm so thrilled that you accepted and managed to help us with the labels. I really appreciate that. Leaflet, thank you. You did well today. You're welcome. Thank you. And so, especially the new artists, some of whose work I'm just amazed by, and well done to all of you. Then this is what I asked William to film. Okay, you see this, you've all noticed my medal here. So this is like a combination of performance art, found object art, stand back, Marshall, Duchamp, your spirit is with us, etc. So this is a bottle cap I found on the street. I thought, well, this is a pretty little bottle cap. So I painted it, and then it sat around wondering what it was going to do. And then suddenly I had this, you know, from, maybe it came from Andrew Mockridge, because he's got a direct line to the muse. And then I made this medal. You know, I think it's so, well, to me it was like a spoof on the military. I thought, So then, and so I awarded it to myself. And then I thought, well, let me make another one and award it to somebody who deserves it. So I made this little chap. This is a medal, and Barry Gibb. Yeah. Come here. I just want to award this medal to Barry Gibb. I haven't got words for it. It's like the Prix d'Art or etc. I don't know, he can call it what he likes. That's your Barry Gibb medal. Yeah. Okay, thank you, William. And all of you for your understanding, because the places where we fell down. Thank you, and enjoy the evening. Get as short as you can. It's open, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.